Okay, I'm going to show you how to do a home mortgage loan payment using the HP10bii 2 Plus financial calculator. And so let's go over a scenario here. You're wanting to buy a house and you'd like to know what the monthly payments are going to be and the price range you were considering. And you have found a house worth $175,000. You plan to put 20% down on a down payment on the home. And you've come up with these financing terms of 30-year mortgage, making monthly payments, and the mortgage interest rate is going to be 4.75%. What will be your monthly payments? Now, the first thing we would want to find out is how much are we borrowing after a 20% down payment. So we go to our calculator, we'll say 175, and then we're going to multiply 20% and get $35,000. So $35,000 from the 175, we are going to finance $140,000. And so I've got the time value of money components over here under the calculator. We want to be able to set our periods per year as 12 because we're making monthly payments. The number of payments we're going to be making is going to be 30 times 12. We've got our interest per year, the amount that we're financing there. That should be a negative number. There we go. And we want to solve for our payment, and our future value is going to be 0 because when the loan is paid for, we don't owe anything. So let's go through the process of entering our information in and calculating what our monthly payments are going to be. So the first thing we want to do, always remember, is clear your register. You saw that it's set up there for 12 payments per year. Now let's just start entering our information, and it doesn't matter what order we put this in. We're just solving for one of the components. So at the end of a loan, that future value is going to be 0. Our interest rate's 4.75. We have 30 years worth of payments to make, and recall whenever you do this times P per year, we're going to get the total number of periods during this term of 30 years. And we do this, we press this one, and then in. We get our 360. So we put in our term, our interest rate, we got our future value, and now we need to put our present value, which is $140,000. We want to make that a minus sign. And then we'll click the payment key. So that tells us our monthly payments are going to be $730.31.